Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Miss Aisha Kaleem and I am teacher of class 2. Now students, now you are promoted in class 2. Be remembered, don't give your books to anyone. Use your previous books for work. And before I started my lecture, I want to remember you that we can stop coronavirus by using following SOPs. Number 1, washing hands. Number 2, wearing mask. And number 3, keeping distance between two persons. Now I am going to start my lecture. Now look at the book page number 31, 34 and 36. First of all, I will do the book page number 31. I am reading instructions in front of you. Open your books. Open book page number 31. Draw object using shape strawberry. Okay, now look at the board. I am going to draw the strawberry. It has triangle shape. Students, hold the pencil properly and check my hand movement. Strawberry has curved triangle shape. Now start drawing it with me. Now, I am drawing a triangle like this. Number 2, curved triangle, make curve and then make slant line like this and join it at the end. Now the triangle part is completed. Now I will draw the leaf of the strawberry like this. Check my hand movement. Draw it with me with your pencil like this. Draw it very neatly like this. Students, now I will draw the circle inside the strawberry like this. I am drawing small circles inside the strawberry. You will also draw the small circle inside the strawberry like this. Like this, small circles. There are many circles on the surface of the strawberry. Now the drawing of strawberry is completed. Now it's time for coloring. I will use red color to color the strawberry. Again, first you make an outline border line like this with your pencil on your book. It will provide you certain area for coloring. Now the border is completed. Now again start coloring from left to right, side to side again. Your color stroke should be smooth in the same direction. Like this. Color it very neatly. Don't leave white space inside the coloring part. Like this. Color it very neatly. Left to right, side to side. Left to right, side to side. Left to right. Left to right, side to side. Don't color inside the circle part. Left to right, side to side. Students, color it very neatly. Left to right, side to side. Left to right, side to side. Left to right. Don't color outside the border. Your color stroke should be in the same direction. Enjoy the coloring. Now you will use black color for the circles like this and green color for the leaves of strawberry. Now strawberry is completed. Now I am moving towards the another activity, which is flower. Now I am going to draw the flower. First of all, I will draw the circle like this, and then I am going to draw the petals. Hold the pencil, students, properly and check my hand movements. How I am drawing the petals, which are round in shape like this. You will draw your petals very neatly. Now you will draw a slant line towards downward for making its stem, and then you will draw the leaf. First you will make a slant line in the upper direction, and again from the corner you will draw the slant line in the downward direction in order to make the leaf. Again you will draw the slant line in the upper direction, and again students you will draw the slant line in the downward direction in order to complete the flower. Now the flower is completed. Now I am going to color it. I am choosing pink color for the petals, students, brown color for the stem and green color for the leaves. Start coloring with me. Start coloring in the petals again. Don't do rash coloring like this. Draw it very neatly and color it very neatly also. You will use pink or any other color you can according to your choice. You will use green color for the coloring of leaves like this in the upward and downward direction. Color it very neatly. Now the coloring of flower is completed. Students, in this way you can complete your flower. Now I have another activity for you, which is draw a butterfly with the help of different shapes. Now look at the board how I am drawing the butterfly. Now look at the board. First of all, butterfly has many shapes inside the wings. I will draw the circle first to draw its face, and then small 2 circle for making its eyes and smile. Now I am going to draw 2 slant lines in the upward direction to make its tentacles, and make 2 circles in the upward direction of the 2 slant lines. And then I will draw the body of the butterfly, which is oval in shape. Look at the body of the butterfly. Now start drawing the wings of the butterfly. I am drawing a slant line in the upward direction and then curve, and again curve and slipping line in the downward direction to join the body of the butterfly. Again same, you will draw another wing, slant line and curve, and then curve to join the body of the butterfly. Inside the body, students, you can see there are many shapes inside the body. I will draw a circle first. Inside the wing, I will draw a circle and small circle inside the circle. Now I am going to draw an oval shape inside the wing, and then small circle inside the oval. By using same trick, I will draw the wings of the butterfly in the second direction like this. Again, draw the circle inside the wing and then circle inside the wing. Again, draw the wing, draw the shapes and circle inside the wing. Now it's time for coloring the butterfly. Now inside the body I will draw the slipping lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the butterfly is completed. Now it's time for coloring. As you know, butterfly is very colorful, so use any color to color the butterfly like this. You can use pink color for coloring its wing like this. Again, left to right, side to side. Don't use irregular strokes while coloring. Color the butterfly in the same direction like this. Color it very neatly. Color it very neatly, left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side. Don't do rash coloring, color it very neatly. Now it's look very beautiful. Use red color inside the circle. Like this. Use green color for the small circle. I will use yellow color to color its face. And brown color to color its body. Upward and downward direction. Color it very neatly. Students, I have another activity in this lecture. Now look at the book page number 57. I am reading instructions for you. Thumbprint fun. The students will be able to make and different things after making impression of thumb and fingers. Instructions: mix different poster color with water in a plate. Dip thumb and fingers in the paint. Press down on the paper to make impressions. With black pencil, color draw face and legs of cheeks. Now I am going to perform the activity in front of you. Students, I have another activity in this lecture. Now look at the book page number 57. I am reading instructions for you. Thumbprint fun. The students will be able to make and different things after making impression of thumb and fingers. Instructions: mix different poster color with water in a plate. Dip thumb and fingers in the paint. Press down on the paper to make impressions. With black pencil, color draw face and legs of cheeks. Now I am going to perform the activity in front of you. Students, mix different poster color in a paper plate. I mixed yellow color in a paper plate. Now I am going to put my thumb in the yellow poster color like this. Your thumb direction should be like my direction of thumb. Now I am going to paste it on the paper to make an impression like this. Students, I mix yellow poster color in the water. Now I am going to press my thumb on the yellow poster color like this. Your thumb direction should be in the direction of. Students, I already mixed yellow poster color in water in a plate, as you can see. Now I dip my thumb in the poster color You will also dip your thumb in the poster color in the poster plate like this, and my thumb I am going to press it on the white paper to make an impression like this. Number 1 to make the body of cheek, number 2, number 3 and number 4 like this. Now I am going to draw the legs on the downward side of the cheek like this. 1 2 3 1 2 3 legs. You will draw the legs of the cheek with the help of pencil with black color. Now make an eye with black pencil or black color like this. Now you will make its beak with orange color. Look, cheeks are looking very beautiful. In this way you can complete the thumb painting. Thank you. I hope you understand the activity and you can perform it at your home.